Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to do the waterproofness test of the OnePlus 9 Pro. So we're going to take it and put it in different water scenarios. So we'll be taking it in the shower, we'll be taking it in the steam room, we'll be taking it and putting it in aquarium. So bucket and all you would have seen, but I wanted to put it in aquarium itself, which is deeper and a lot of water pressure. So in an aquarium, I can't go to the swimming pool right now because the swimming pool is closed, but at least whatever scenarios I can get, I'll do that. So the first one would be the water tank, then we'll take it to the shower, and then we'll take it to the steam room, and then we'll see if it still survives or not. So let's go, let's start the test. Okay, so we are done with the steam room test. So we were in there for 10 minutes. As you can see, there's still steam on it, actually vapor on it. So it's completely drenched. Let's see if it actually works. The fingerprint sensor normally doesn't work with wet fingers. Whoa, okay, no, it didn't work. Okay, it worked. So it's working well. Now the screens don't respond well when there's a lot of water, but this is still responding. Let me bring down the brightness. Okay, this is still responding, no issues. So I've been using this for, okay, now you see sometimes this happens. That is because of the water on the screen. A lot of water, a lot of moisture. So because of that, sometimes you'll have some phantom touch, some ghost touch. So that's okay. Once you actually wipe this down, nothing will happen. It will be back to normal. So I've been using this in the steam room, and I haven't had any problems. So it's been a week that I've been using this, and I have no issues with water. I've been putting it in the bucket of water, putting it in the shower, taking it to the steam room, and this is truly water resistant. So IP68 rating that they've given is actually good. So that's basically it. That's all that I wanted to talk about the OnePlus 9 Pro. If you have any further queries, go ahead, comment, and I'll reply back to it. You have my information in the description of the video and at the end of the video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.